And now I'll show you the second problem. So so the second wave of coronavirus is coming up and we need to wear mask and use hand sanitizer. So this time the project is about how to make a touchless hand sanitizer such that we can all use in our labs. So the idea behind the project is that it should be very cheap and everyone should be able to make it. So we are not using any microcontroller, it's a simple op-amp circuit. So enjoy the video and be safe. So now I need to make a tiny hole in this bottle. After making the tiny hole in the bottle, we will insert the pipe. So you will need this copper rod to fix the pipe with it. To make this sanitizer circuit, we are going to use LM324, which is an op-amp IC. So 2 is the inverting input and 3 is the non-inverting input of the op-amp. So what we are doing is that we have this IR receiver and IR emitter. So we'll connect 5 volt to the positive of the IR receiver and then we'll we'll ground it through a 1 mega ohm resistance. Between this 1 mega ohm resistance and the output terminal of this IR receiver, we will connect a wire directly to the 3 non-inverting input of the op-amp. Similarly, what we are going to do in the pin number 2 of LM324, we are going to use a potentiometer. One end of the potentiometer will be connected to the 5 volt, another end of the potentiometer will be connected to the ground. Potentiometer is of 10 kilo ohms and the middle pin of the potentiometer is connected to the pin number 2. By changing the potentiometer values, means by turning the knob, you can reduce or increase the sensitivity of this IR sensor module. So this is a IR emitter. So this IR emitter, this resistance is of 1 kilo ohms. And the positive terminal goes through this 1 kilo ohms to a 5 volt source and this negative terminal to the ground. So pin number 1 is the output. So pin number 1 goes through a resistance of 100 ohms to BC548 NPN transistor. Now here is my again 5 volt source motor pump or the pump of the sanitizer, and the negative terminal goes through this NPN BC548 transistor to the ground. So when the output, there is no output, when there is no hand present in front of the sanitizer, no output will be seen from pin number 1. Hence it will be an open circuit, this motor pump will not work. When there is a hand present, when the hand is present in front of this IR receiver, IR emitter, light from the IR emitter will be reflected by the hand to the IR receiver. Because IR receiver will receive the infrared rays, its resistance will go down. Hence, this op-amp will get activated. Pin number 1 will be high, which will again activate this BC548 transistor. Hence, this motor pump will start working and will pump the liquid. So this is the whole principle of this simple LM324 IC. It is a very easy to build circuit which you can do at your home. So here is a problem which I have never seen. So you give your hand in under it and it stops working. The reason behind is this culprit. So this is a power bank. So because the resistance of the whole system is low, so it thinks that no device is connected. So we have to connect a resistance in parallel to it to make sure the power bank thinks that there is some phone or any device is connected such that it gives continuous power. So what I am going to do is that I'm going to switch on the power bank, and now I'll show you the second problem. Can you see so can you see that I have removed my hand, but it is just not stopping. So here is the infrared receiver and this is the infrared emitter. This is the infrared emitter and this is the infrared receiver. Now when I put my hand underneath, what happens is that because of this laminar flow, there is a cylindrical lensing which is happening. So to prevent this cylindrical lensing, what I will do is that I'll cover this infrared receiver with some sellotapes, black sellotape or something, such that infrared light from the side cannot come to this. So let us see what happens. So these are two problems which you will face. So the third problem of too much hand sanitizer being poured into the device is fixed here. So now you can see that it pours very less amount of hand sanitizer. We will see how we can make this type of thing. So we will now see how to make this small this type of one-way valve type of thing, such that only small quantity of hand sanitizer falls. अबे यार कोई इसको ऑटोमेटिक बना. Hi, so we do a lot of mini projects like this portable hand sanitizer. So please subscribe to our channel Science in a Cup. Actually your subscription inspires us to make more projects like this. So till then, goodbye, see you in the next video and thank you.